Your car already has the power. It's just being restricted by small system inefficiencies stacking up under the surface. Today, I'm breaking down 12 banned performance resets that professionals use, but most drivers never hear about. These aren't reckless street mods. These are precision resets, airflow corrections, fuel optimizations, and maintenance strategies tested over years inside real workshops. I've seen engines regain sharp throttle response in under 5 minutes. I've seen transmissions saved before failure ever began. Most performance loss doesn't happen overnight. It builds quietly, and today, we reverse it. If you care about protecting your engine and unlocking the performance you already paid for, subscribe right now, like this video, and comment your country below so I know where you're watching from. Let's get into it. Number 1. The Throttle Relearn Reset. Modern vehicles use adaptive throttle mapping. The ECU studies your pedal habits. If you drive gently for months, it softens response. The result? You press the gas and feel delay. The fix is performing the proper throttle relearn procedure, according to your vehicle's service method. Ignition cycle, controlled pedal input, proper weight intervals, no guessing. When done correctly, the ECU resets baseline values and relearns from 0. The difference is immediate. Sharper tip in. Cleaner takeoff. It feels like hidden lag just disappeared. Number 2. MyF Sensor Precision Cleaning. Your mass airflow sensor is the gatekeeper of fueling accuracy. Even microscopic contamination skews airflow readings. The engine compensates by injecting more fuel than needed. Fuel economy drops. Acceleration dulls. Carefully remove the sensor and spray it only with dedicated MyF cleaner. Never touch the sensing wire. Never use brake cleaner. Let it dry fully. Reinstall. In many cases, idle smooths instantly and throttle response tightens within seconds of startup. Number 3. Intake carbon flow recovery. Direct injection engines are notorious for carbon buildup on intake valves. Over time, airflow becomes restricted. You may not notice it day to day, but power gradually fades. Controlled intake system cleaning using approved products at stable RPM allows deposits to dissolve and exit through combustion. Expect temporary smoke, that's carbon leaving. The key is control. Never flood the intake. Never rev aggressively. Don't patiently. The engine breathes easier and regains smooth acceleration. Number 4. Gradual transmission fluid renewal. Sealed for life. Often means sealed until warranty expiration. Heat cycles break down fluid additives. Microscopic clutch particles circulate inside the valve body, instead of an aggressive flush that can shock high mileage units. Professionals often use gradual drain and refill intervals with manufacturer specified fluid. Each service refreshes protection without dislodging excessive debris. Shifts become smoother. Engagement becomes cleaner. Transmission temperature stabilizes. This one practice alone can extend gearbox life dramatically. Number 5. Electrical stability check. Modern cars rely on stable voltage for throttle control, fuel mapping, and shift timing. A weak battery can cause inconsistent performance long before it fails to crank. Load, test the battery. Inspect terminals for corrosion. Replace aging units proactively and register them if required. Stable voltage restores sensor accuracy and consistent throttle mapping. It's a small component with massive influence. Number 6. Spark plug gap verification. Gapped plugs are mass-produced to general tolerance. Verifying gap strictly within factory specification ensures optimal spark under load. Too wide invites misfires during acceleration. Too tight reduces burn efficiency. Use a proper feeler gauge. Adjust gently. When ignition stability improves, combustion efficiency improves with it. Idle smooths. Acceleration becomes cleaner. Number 7. Injector atomization restoration. Fuel injectors must atomize fuel into ultra-fine mist. Over time, varnish buildup alters spray patterns. Instead of precise mist, you get uneven streams. Professional-style concentrated injector cleaning, performed safely with correct pressure handling, restores spray geometry. The engine regains smoothness. Cold starts sharpen. Throttle becomes more predictable. It's not about dumping cleaner into the tank. It's about restoring precision. Number 8. Controlled airflow enhancement. Factory intake systems prioritize quiet operation. A high-quality high-flow panel filter installed inside the stock airbox improves airflow while maintaining safe intake temperatures. Avoid exposed filters pulling hot engine bay air. Cooler, denser oxygen improves combustion stability. Gains may be small individually, but combined with other resets, the engine feels noticeably freer. Number 9. Exhaust flow health diagnosis. If high RPM power feels restricted, inspect for partial catalytic converter blockage. Exhaust restriction increases back pressure and reduces efficiency. Proper diagnosis and legal replacement, not deletion, restores exhaust flow. Never remove emissions equipment. It's illegal and environmentally harmful, but ensuring the system functions properly restores lost performance safely. Number 10. PCV system restoration. The positive crankcase ventilation valve regulates internal engine pressure. When it sticks, oil vapor contaminates the intake and carbon builds rapidly. Replacing a worn PCV valve is inexpensive and often immediately stabilizes idle and reduces oil consumption. Clean crankcase ventilation equals cleaner combustion and longer engine life. Number 11. Cooling system efficiency optimization. Excess heat forces the ECU to pull ignition timing, reducing power silently. Flush degraded coolant according to manufacturer intervals. Ensure radiator fins are clean and fans operate properly. Never open a hot system. Stable operating temperature preserves optimal ignition timing and consistent output, especially during long drives. Number 12. The oil strategy professionals follow. Oil isn't just lubrication. It operates hydraulic timing components and protects against microscopic friction. Always use manufacturer-approved viscosity. Change it consistently. In certain engines, approved friction modifiers can enhance wear protection, but only when verified compatible. The wrong additive can damage emission systems. The right oil strategy dramatically extends internal engine life and maintains smooth operation. Here's what most drivers never realize. These improvements stack. Clean airflow plus precise fueling plus stable voltage plus proper lubrication multiplies performance recovery. You may not add 50 horsepower overnight, but you restore what was quietly lost. The car feels lighter, smoother, more responsive. Because it's finally operating at intended efficiency, you don't need extreme modifications. You need controlled system optimization. Small inefficiencies compound negatively, but smart resets compound positively. If this breakdown helped you see your car differently, subscribe for more car updates, like the video if you enjoyed it, and comment your country along with the next car topic you want me to cover. Let's build a smarter global community of drivers who protect performance instead of paying for preventable repairs.